everybody, I'm Patty Cordova with livingmividaloca.com, and I am a Latina lifestyle blogger. I do social media consulting, and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark. So I wanted to show you guys my Goodwill Outlet haul that happened today. I had about an hour there before picking up the chicklets from school, and I'm okay. I'm happy with what I got. I wanted to show you guys what exactly that is. This is the second video in my Poshmark playlist. There is a playlist on my YouTube channel that's at Patty Cordova, and there's a Poshmark playlist right there if you want to go back and see how much what I'm sharing, you know, my sales. I'm going to be sharing what I've learned. I've only been doing this for about a month and a half. And so I want to show you guys, take you kind of through that journey of how I do as a part-time reseller. I don't post every day. I do try to share as much as I can. I still have not reached ambassador status because I really wasn't too concerned about that, but now it's like, okay, well, I might as well do it. So I have about 2,000 shares. I have about 3,000 more to go. So that might take a while depending on how much I actually, you know, put effort into it. So anyways, let's get into the haul. My Poshmark store is at LMVLSHOP if you want to check those items out, or if you want to buy them directly without having to go to the app. And before I post them, you can always leave a comment below. And of course, if you subscribe, please turn on the notifications with that little bell, or just simply like this video and comment, because all of that helps. Okay, so I have all these things in front of me, which you can't really see, but they're all in front. It's a little stack, it's not too much. The first item, and this one I kind of just picked up at the very end, and I saw this color and I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so cool. So this is a vintage. It says the LA Costa Spa, California. It's a size large, and it is a little like a windbreaker jacket, and it's not stained. It's in great condition, but check this out. Isn't it so cool? I love the colors. It kind of looks like a jack-o'-lantern actually now that I look at it. But I love the colors, and that's kind of why I picked this one up. It does have a little faux pocket there. It has a zipper, no hoodie, but it's super cute. It's like a little bomber jacket. And that's a size large. Okay, next we have these Miss Me jeans. I guess Goodwill wanted $9.99 for them. But they're Miss Me jeans. I love Miss Me because the embroidery is just so cute. So I didn't actually realize they were that brand, and all I saw was this pocket, and I'm like, I have to have those. So when they rolled out the cart, that was the first thing I grabbed, was these, because I just love the embroidery on it. So yeah, so these are a size, let's see, 26. And they seem to be a little bit short. Maybe petite, I don't know. I am 5'8", so the pants never fit me the way they should. But these are super cute. I really like the embroidery. Next we have these Lucy, kind of like casual wear, well, like the sporty pants. Yeah, so Lucy jeans, like, I mean, they kind of remind me of like Prana or Columbia. They have like this really stretchy fabric. And look, somebody ironed them. I hope that's gonna come out. So I haven't washed this yet. I'm gonna wash it today so I can post it hopefully by tomorrow. And they have like this little Velcro closure, which is kind of cool. That's nice. Oh, there's a button. I was like, oh, it's gonna be so cool, like, to just be able to put on pants with Velcro. That's pretty cool. They're brown. They have a little, they look like a capri style, and they have a little slit at the bottom here, and then you have the little Lucy tag right there too. And these are a size medium, so those would fit me. Next, okay, so this is a no-name scarf. I just thought it was kind of cute. It's a little scarf. It's pink, and it's like an olive green. It looks brown, but it's a green. It's just a little skinny scarf that, like, you know, it's a little accessory for fall. Okay, next I grabbed this because I liked it for me, and I mean, I might wear it for like an Instagram photo, because that's what happens. So I tend to wear the clothes for Instagram, and then I sell them. So yeah, so this is an Anne Klein, and look at this pattern. It is so cute. It's like little bows, and then you have the red one right there. It is just like the most adorable little thing, and it's like all over the sleeves. It's black in the back. but and it's a size medium. Yeah, it's a size medium. So yeah, so it's just super cute. I really love the pattern. It's like totally like with jeans and like little black boots or loafers. It looks so cute. So I'm all over this. I love this pattern. Okay, I picked this one up because of the pattern. I mean, I am just attracted to when I see something like that looks pretty, I'll grab it and then I'll just figure out what it is afterwards. But this one I was definitely attracted to because of these odd looking little cactus that are on there. Cacti. So it's blue and it has like these little, it's a romper by Valley of the Dolls, which I believe is sold by Nasty Gal. There's no pockets. Do you know how I feel about it? I love pockets. Oh, there is pockets. Oh, too bad it doesn't fit me. Oh, dang it. Okay, well, it's an extra small and it has pockets, which is just the best thing ever. It's a little romper, like overalls. They're little overalls. They're so cute. They're super lightweight. And they have like this little button thing and it has two of them, so you can make it longer. Because that's the problem with rompers, is that you have to like really like be the model that they were looking for, or hope that they have something adjustable like that. So this is super cute. I love the pattern. So cute. That's Valley of the Dolls. Okay, next is this. I like this one. The first thing I saw with this was the lace. This is Miss Selfridge, and I believe it's sold in Anthropologie. So it's a little blue crop top with a lace trim. It's really light. And of course it's something that you could just wear with like little festival shorts. Festival shorts and white sneakers. And like maybe like a cardigan over it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's super cute. It's a size, it's a size 2. So that's like a small. Is that an extra small? Maybe an extra small. So it's really cute. It's a little crop top with a little lace and it has like this little keyhole thing going on. So super cute. Okay, this one I grabbed because, okay, this is Damsel and it's a size small. It's a size small. This one was just like a really casual, just little like a flannel. Yeah, that's what it's called, right? Like the pajama stuff, the flannel stuff. So it's ribbed and it's tight, and I believe this is also sold in Anthropologie. The color is kind of funky. It's like a plum color, so I really like that. Yeah, so just a little jean thing. Put a vest over it. Little casual tee. That one I'm thinking is gonna go about 10. So this is a junk food shirt. I got it because I wanted it for me. So yeah, just because I love that, like, I mean, okay, I'm not really like into superheroes. I mean, I like them all. But I love the vintage look of this. It's, I think it's a size medium too. Let's see. It's actually been worn off. Let me see what it looks like. Maybe a medium? It says 11. Oh, it's a large. Okay, it's a large. That doesn't look like it. Does that look like a large? Okay, well, I'm still gonna try it out because I think it looks kind of funky. And I want to try it out with jeans, which I just started wearing jeans. I have like one pair that I actually like, so I might do that with that. Okay, this one I grabbed because I am like on the hunt for anything that's like flannel or plaid. Anything that screams fall is where I'm at. This is a mango casual, and it's a little plaid. It almost looks like a little uniform. It's super cute. Yeah, so it's a little plaid long sleeve. It looks like it's crop top because it's a size, this is a size small, extra small. There's no way it would fit me, but just to give you an idea, it fits like right at the waist. So it's really cute, lightweight. It'd be so perfect for fall. I'm all over that. Okay, then we have this Alethea sweater. I grabbed this one because it was so funky. I mean, look at this. So it has like all this, well, it has a mark right there. I hope that comes off in the wash. Yeah, so the sleeves are like this. They're all cut out, so they're kind of like a peekaboo thing, but it's like all over the sleeve. And it's a size medium. It's pretty lightweight, so this is totally something like California weather. Oh, this is something you would wear because it's hot, and then it's cold, and then it's windy, and then it's whatever it is. So this is something that you can totally wear with like with shorts and like Uggs, because that is so the thing we do here in California. Because we want to wear the winter wear, but it never gets that cold, at least in Southern California. But yeah, so this is something that would look super cute. It was jeans and like little Uggs. Oh, okay. So it has a little cutout sleeves, and then check out the back. The back is like totally cut out too. Isn't that so funky? So obviously, I mean, I guess you would want to wear it with something underneath, or you could not and wear it during the summer. I don't know. Or it could go over like a swimsuit. So many possibilities. Love that one. Okay, next are these diesel jeans, and these are men's jeans. So I'm starting to notice that there is a lot for Poshmark, and I think this is like a big tip if you're starting to sell in Poshmark, just starting out. Like, go into your hubsters or your boyfriend's closet and like start taking their stuff and post it online, because I feel like the men's like whole closet thing is starting to get really big. So I would totally recommend that you do something like that, because it's, I mean, I've been selling a lot more men's than I thought I would. So these are diesel jeans, and they are a size 32 by 32. That's kind of cool how they put it up, but it's upside down. So I guess if you're wearing it, you would just go like this and you would see, oh, I'm a size 32 by 32. So these are diesel jeans, and they seem to be like a boot cut, and they're in really great condition, except for this leg. This leg has a little bit of distressing here, a lot of bit of distressing. So yeah, that's the only thing, because this side has it kind of really good, but the other side doesn't. I like this because of I like this kind of embellishment in the back. It does not too much. It's just enough to know that it's something special, but not too much that it's like super over the top. So I like that, and it's a button fly. Yay for diesel. And they seem to be like those jeans that would fit really good for a long time. Okay, just a few more items. This one is a Chanlu little camisole thing. I don't know the size because I cannot find a size thing on here. I think it might be like a small or a medium. But this one I super love, and I think I'm gonna try it out. I think it looks like it might be a medium. I think so. I think it is. Okay, so yeah, so I really like this, and I like this tag. So it's really cute. It's just like a little silver tab. Love that. Okay, this one I grabbed because of the color, and then I saw later it was Zara, and it got me like super confused as to how it goes, and I don't understand like why this happens to me. I seem to get very confused as to how things are supposed to fit. Okay, so this one, let me see, I think I have to knot it in the back. I grabbed it and I could not figure out how to put this thing on. Like, it was so twisted. Okay, so let me see if I have a hanger here. Okay, I have this one. So this will work, I guess. Okay, so it's kind of like that, where like it's like a V-neck, and then it has like these little cutout on the sides, and then in the back it has like this stretchy band that I would imagine would go in the back, so it'd be like that, and then you tie it here. So it looks like it would look pretty cool when it's on, just because of all the different straps, and like they're going like all these different places. So this is pretty cute. So a little Zara mustard yellow. It's a size medium. This would fit me, but like no way am I like walking out showing all the sides. Not right now. Okay, the last thing. Oh, and I just noticed they're stained. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix that. These are level 99, which is sold at Anthropologie. They're size 27. I grabbed them because of the color, but I'm just noticing that they have like something must have splashed on there. So I will fix that. Yeah, so look at this. So they're super cute, just like white leg, like a red orange kind of color. No, they have 2 back pockets, but look at that. It looks so cute. So then I got to thinking, how cute would this look with this top? If I can figure out how to put it back on. Look. So imagine this with this. Isn't that just like the cutest? Oh my gosh, that would look so good. With like little platform heels, like so like a 70s vibe. It looks super cool. So yeah, so and then you have these little, I'm not sure if they actually do anything, but I guess you can make them tighter if you really wanted to, with using these little buttons that you can just grab and make it tighter. That's pretty cool. It's kind of like the kids' jeans when they put them inside the hem, the waistband. So yeah. So that is my Goodwill Outlets haul. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, whether you were hanging out while you were doing your own poshing. My name is Patty Cordova. I'm at LMVLSHOP, at Patty, Pattie, Cordova, everywhere else. And on Poshmark, I am at LMVLSHOP. So that is my shop. That is where I sell the things that I wear on Instagram, and then I sell it or find really cute stuff and I can't stop myself from buying it because it's so cute. And then I share it with the world. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. Again, if you like this video, please consider subscribing so you can see all the other videos in the Poshmark playlist. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.